Hi guys, good morning everyone, and my name is Joel, part of the JY project. So for today, this video will be focused more towards me in getting certified in flying a drone here in Dubai. In my previous clips, you probably have seen that we have flown the drone in different Emirates, which is like in Sharjah, Ras Al Khaimah. Those are certified with GCAA. So for today's certification, I'm going to be focusing in getting a certification with DCAA, which is under Dubai, in which I need to get certified in a school for the process. For detailed information on that, I will be creating a different video later on. So please do subscribe so that you'll be able to see that tutorial on how you will be able to fly a drone. But for today, wish me luck because I'm going to be taking the exam.